I'm Javier Rivera, President of ITV Ice Makers US. We're here today at our factory in Valencia, Spain, where we manufacture all our ice makers. Today, I'd like to show you something really special and really interesting. Come and follow me. We're going up to the factory's roof. But first, look at these views. Beautiful. That's an old 18th century farm. I love working here. And this is what I wanted to show you. A solar plant. This is the powertrain that has been generating all the energy we use at the ITV factory, and has been doing so for the past 13 years, including metal processing machines, thermoforming, CNC, lighting, everything. Do you realize? It's clean, it's efficient, it's reliable. Just like the powertrain of our new Spica range. We've redesigned it and re-engineered it for new refrigerant R290, improving energy efficiency, performance, and airflow. Look at it. It's clean, it's efficient, it's reliable. Coming soon to the US.